Okay then guys, just before we get on with the Grandkids SSPC 2025, the Grandkids aka the Gremlins, I just want to show you the breakfast we had. We went up to Dobby's Garden Centre, which has been taken over by British Garden Centres, and we had a lovely breakfast. I had loaded omelette. Kyra and Olivia had the kids' mini breakfast. The sausages were huge. Rowan and Harry had scrambled egg on toast, but being the Hoovers they are, they ended up eating most everybody else's anyway, sharing the beans and the sausages, you know. We had a good look around the garden centre afterwards. Didn't get any photographs or anything because it was a bit too busy, but it was good to note that they're selling peat-based compost, just like they said they would at the Garden Press event back in February. Here we go then. Okay then kids, what are we here today for then? We're going to do the
single seed potato challenge.
Right then, and have you named your potatoes? Let's start with Olivia. What's your potato called?
Potatoes.
Potato? What's yours called, Rowan?
No.
Go for Mashy.
Mashy. And what's Kyra's called?
Bob.
Bob. Okay then, Kyra's got her potato and now she's going to cut it into, what, 2 pieces, is it, Kyra?
Yeah.
2, go on then. Oh, here's Harry. Okay then. There we are then, that's good. So put those into your bag with the eyes facing upwards if you can.
That's okay. So the eyes,
The shoots, with the shoots.
need to be up.
What do you mean up?
The shoots facing upwards out of the bag.
So it is up.
That's it.
Oh. So like that too.
Yeah, so put them in the bag then.
Fine, spiders like that.
Cool. Okay then, that's Olivia. Watch Olivia cut hers then. Can you see we're going to cut yours, or you got lots of bits on yours?
I'm gonna put it like that.
Let me just zoom in a bit. Hang on.
Like that.
Yeah.
Do that with
Okay then, Olivia. Yeah, that's fine.
Just go.
That's good, that Olivia. Yeah.
Hold it.
Go!
Watch your fingers. Green knife, green top.
Green bracelet
Keep your thumb in. That's it.
Can't cut it.
Need some help?
A bit harder. That's it. You know you're halfway through.
It's so hard.
There we are. There we are.
Good job.
Okay then, and put them into your bag.
Wait, Mum, shall I do it though?
Eyes facing up.
Okay, Olivia. Yeah, put the flat bits downwards then. That's right, and we'll top it up in a minute. Cool.
Keep it in the bag.
Oh, you have it. Where are you going to cut yours then, mate? Can you see? Let's have a look then.
Which way?
Ooh.
Oh, you've got a couple.
Oh, you got, yeah, right in the middle with yours then. Let me just zoom in a little bit.
Right in the middle. So you
Yeah,
hold
right in the
this
middle.
bit. Hold this bit one hand.
Are you going to do the dead
That's it, yeah.
So you come sit with me. I'll put it on my hand.
Yeah. Straight through, mate. Go on then. Push, push, push. You're nearly there, nearly there.
Go on. Do some help. Good job. That's it.
That's it, he's there.
It's not a very good knife.
A little bit more.
Sorry. You want me to touch your spider?
You can snap that bit off, that'll be alright. Okay then. In your bag then.
Remember which way?
Flat bits down, that's it, like that. Well done, mate.
The wood lamp. I didn't put mine like that. You want the wood lamp?
That's alright, that's alright. They'll grow anyway, whichever way you do it. Okay, round you get them, Rowan. In your bag then, mate. Put them in gently, don't drop them in this time, you're getting older now. Good dog barking well, isn't he? Okay then, kids, just to top your bags up now then. So, scoop away. We're using Erin multi-purpose compost. 3 for £15. Quite cheap, actually. Go on in, get it right in there.
Oh my word. Oh,
That's it.
bye-bye.
I just chuck it straight on and Kyra wouldn't be fussy about it.
Oh my god. Where am I still?
How have you come to help, Harry?
Harry's got his little
Go
ball.
on then.
Harry, come help me. Harry is on my team.
Let Rowan get in there as well then.
Harry, get some mud and put it in my bucket. You want to go there, have Olivia? Harry, come get some mud. Put it in there then, Rowan. No, not from there. Get mud from there. Good boy.
Well done, Harry. You have your own potato next year. That's
Good
it.
boy.
Yeah, dirty. We'll clean it in a minute, don't worry.
It's gonna to get washed, okay?
That's it, Rowan. Just chuck it in, mate. Don't be too careful. Let's have a quick look at Dolly. Dolly wants to get part of the action as well, look. Yeah, I know, mate. You're going to have your own spud as well, all right? Yeah, I know. You watch the kids do it, okay? Yeah, right. Cool. Right then, do you want me to help pick it up then and drop some in now then, because you've done your bit on the film. Well, there we are then, kids. Bags all topped up. So we got Bob, Mash, and Potato, isn't it?
No, potato.
Potato. Yeah, and Harry's been helping as well. Cool. So then, we'll have to wait and see what grows then, won't we? 20 weeks' time. And we'll do 3 prizes. We'll do the heaviest altogether, the heaviest single spud, and the strangest spud, okay? But only one person can win each prize. You can't win 2 prizes again.
No, for everyone.
Okay then, we'll say goodbye, everybody.
Bye.
Say bye. Say bye. And a bit later on, Marissa, mother of the gremlins, she chopped her single seed potato entry up and named it Gremlin Tamer. 7 pieces into 2 bags for life. And here they are outside on the paving slabs. Win or lose, there's going to be a bountiful harvest, I can tell already. Alright guys, just before we wrap this one up then. Did a fair bit today. Got another dose of urea on everything that needs it. I think there's only 1 dose left now. I'll stick the chart up in a minute and show you. Planted loads of carrots down the sides of this bed. 4 different types. 1 in each quarter sort of thing. I'll put the names of what they are in a minute. This bed here, 2 lots of broad beans. I'll tell you what they are. And some cauliflower. That one is looking a bit wilty actually. I'll give it, it's soaking wet under there. I'm going to get some hoops and a net from the other allotment at the moment, just to cover them from the flying rats, the piggions. Put some asparagus in there. Done it properly with the raised hump in the middle of the trench, and then covered it all over. Nice fresh compost. Is that it? No, a bit more. Ooh. And it's a very quick makeshift sweet pea bed next to this trellis here. That'll be alright. I want it to look nice for people who drive in up the drive, just like that motorbike is now, let's say. So when people look across, they think, oh, that's pretty. Oh yeah, and speaking of that, where the rake is there in that little bit of patch there, I planted some Californian wildflower mix seeds. Just sown some of them. I might pop up the garden centre a minute, because I'm a bit worried about some of these raspberries. Now that one's growing, the yellow one, but it looks like the leaves are dying off for some reason. That one's nice and healthy. This yellow one's not stirred yet. Nor is this red one. In fact, I think the leaves might have dropped off that. Same as that yellow one. And same as that red one. No, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'm going to leave it till after the weekend. Are they growing or not? No, I don't think they are. No, I'll leave it till after the weekend. I'll wait till Tuesday. Wait till Tuesday. Give them another chance. Yeah, I don't want to waste money. They're going to cost about, I don't know, 10 quid each, I suppose. 12 quid each at the garden centre. And the rubbish pile's gone. Hooray! So now, when you come in when you drive up to the garden centre, I'm going to do a tour of there once. I've asked Jess, the manager up there. She said, yeah, just let us know when you're going to do it so you don't scare the staff. So when they drive up now, look, there's no big heat there. They'll see the climbing roses either side of the raspberries, and those sweet peas behind that big pile there. Should be loads of Californian wildflowers growing, all under the watchful eye of Olivia the owl. That's it for today, guys. Catch you soon. Take care.